Pearl have supported Kaduna State Ministry of Education or the education sector in a number of ways, one of which is to improve the system strengthening and also access and quality of education. And so there have been significant improvements in terms of that, and the quality of education have also improved. Pearl have supported the education sector to do the corporate plan and service charter for the education sector, which has provided a guide and also helped them to fashion their mission and vision statement that says that Kaduna State want to be the best in Nigeria.
Pearl had been here for quite a while, and they have always been the partners in progress with the Kaduna State government, especially in terms of governance, where it brought in a lot of other engagement with the citizens. They tried as much as possible to ensure that government policies and programs were not just left in the hands of government and are not just left in the hands of the civil service.
From the citizen side, what we did was to work with a wider range of non-state actors, civil societies, organizations working around education. Our support led to the establishment of the Kaduna Basic Education Accountability Mechanism, a coalition of civil society organizations that constitute a permanent dialogue mechanism between citizens and government.
Since the formation of the Kaduna Basic Education Accountability Mechanism, we've grown from strength to strength. We have advocated to government over inconsistencies in the education sector. We have talked about the irregularities of contractors, which has seen swift response from government. Pearl has been able to guide us because of it. Pearl is a learning and adaptive program and has been able to study the environment and create certain scenarios that give the enabling environment for us to be able to thrive.
So Pearl with TDP implemented the partnership fund, and they looked at a number of things. Number one is the system strengthening. We looked at the public financial management, and we also looked at the capacity and the quality of teachers. And over time, because of that, we've seen that the quality of teachers have also improved. Teachers that were laid off because of poor technical capacity were about 21,000, and the state government have been able to recruit over 25,000 teachers.
And then the number of enrollment had also, drastically, quadrupled what we used to have. Why? Because of the intervention. Why? Because of engagement. Why? Because of the access to schools. Why? Because of the enabling environment. We have been able to achieve this with the support of Pearl. And because they have given us the enabling environment, they have given us the technical support, the technical backing. And so we have been able to achieve this. Especially our female children, they are achieving a lot and they are benefiting a lot because of the support that we are receiving from Pearl. And how are they getting that? Because of the training that Pearl is giving us. There is so much that one cannot see in a page or so much in a short period of time on the benefit that Kaduna State government have received from Pearl.
We are proud to have supported the Kaduna State education reform and have partnered with the government, the citizen groups, and other FCDO funded programs in Kaduna State. This is just the beginning of a long journey that we hope will lead to greater and life-changing results for more and more citizens in Kaduna State.